beats on the last slow song beneath the moon that was released.
Okay, welcome to my 2021 project. I've got a couple of Hardinge KL-1 high precision tool room lathes. I've already started taking this one apart a little bit. It's in a pretty sorry state. Got heaps of collets and tooling with it, and just needs a bit of TLC and a touch of an ex-tool maker to put it back together again. And there's the other one. That's the one I'm probably going to keep. It's quite a rare model, this, I guess, if anybody can help me. Again, it's a British build Hardinge HLVH KL-1. But this one's got the inch metric threading, tumbler gearbox. It's apart from a few cosmetics, this one's in better shape. So we're going to start taking this thing apart and degreasing it and cleaning it all up, and this is where it's all going to happen, I guess. What we got here? There's a bit of the collet closer, which, as you can see, is a little worse for wear, with a bit broken off there, so it needs a bit of surgery. It hasn't been very well looked after, this, I'm afraid. Some heathen has actually cannibalised it a bit. The compound slide, I've actually already taken this fully apart, rebuilt it and adjusted it, honed all of the key surfaces, so it's actually pretty smooth now. Everything's working. The size A multi-fix, and even the quick release for the threading works really good too. So what I'll probably do is, when I get the whole thing to that sort of stage, I'll probably regrind all of the cosmetic surfaces, just so that it looks really nice when the whole thing is sprayed back up and brought to life properly. We've also got a cupboard full of tooling here, which has got all sorts of bits and pieces in it. When I bought it, I didn't really go through it, but there's loads of stuff in there for this Hardinge. We've got plenty of collets, loads of bits and pieces in there. Coming around to the oldest of the two, we've got, again, I've got a cupboard full of collets inside here. We've actually got 2 steady rests. Yeah, we've got plenty to go at. There's the tailstock, which we've already disassembled and taken apart, and starting to prepare it for painting. There's a couple of things missing. Certainly the bolt for clamping the spindle is need to make a new one of those. But, yeah, should paint up really nicely.
I can still feel my head on your shoulder.
If you like what you see, or if you've got any advice you'd like to offer, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Be good to hear from you. Thank you.